Hello, and welcome to my Airbnb in the most southern part of Cali, Colombia. This area is really close to Jardin Plaza. This is a very popular landmark that you can tell people where you live, Plaza Jardin. Very beautiful area. It's very upscale. It's very new. It's all new area. People with money live down here. There's a ton of people down here. There's a huge university, and I believe that you're really going to love this area. And also, I consider it a 5-star area for safety. You got walking distance to restaurants, bars. You have walking distance to the supermarket, walking distance to the university. It's a really nice place. Let me show you the inside of my apartment. It's right near Jardin Plaza. All these buildings are really new. What's really nice is you get the washing machine. When you're doing an Airbnb and you get that washing machine, it's so nice. You can do loads of laundry. You don't have to worry. You don't have to run around and chase people to go wash your clothes. You don't know how they're gonna do it. They'll shrink your clothes. They'll rip your clothes. They'll tear your clothes up. Doesn't work for me. I haven't had a good experience paying other people to wash my clothes. I wash them myself. We have a beautiful kitchen in this area. I just hooked up a nice stir fry. I went down to the butcher shop and they were hustling a little of this homemade teriyaki. I looked at the ingredients. There was none of that crazy stuff in there, none of that MSG, nasty stuff that kills people. Then I got some poppers boiling over here, eating clean, keeping it real. Then after I hook all this up, I throw it in a big giant bag, a big plastic bag, in Ziploc, and put it in the refrigerator. And then I just pull 6 ounces to 8 ounces out at a time. Another 6 ounces of carbs. Another 4 ounces of avocado or any other type of healthy fats, and I'm all set. I got to show you guys how to live on the road and still eat healthy. It's easy to do. I'm going to put that in one of my videos. Then you come into the refrigerator, brand new refrigerator. Here's that teriyaki dulce that I just bought. 6,000 pesos, $1.50. You got to have your bananas. The inside here is my chontaduro. I bang out about 4 of those a day. I'll tell you more about my chontaduros in another video. Then I can put them all in a blender. I take about 3 chontaduros, which equals about 6 ounces, and then I put some ice in there, a scoop of whey protein. You know, depending on how much carbs I need to go to my pre-workout, I can whack that out, throw some miel in there, and it's really good. Then you got the living room right over here. You got a nice view. They have this screen locked down. That's to probably keep people, if they have a snap and want to do a jump. But you know, safety first. We want to keep our people happy and healthy and alive. And then we got the living room over here. A picture of California back in the day. A TV that I'll never use. And then you walk into the bedroom. Air protectors, sound protectors, because you never know. I haven't slept here yet. It could be, if it gets noisy, I'll throw those puppies on. You never know. Sometimes you're in Colombia, 1 o'clock in the morning, people come over and they start, you know, you have trash collectors at all hours of the night. But, you know, you do what you gotta do. And then I have my desk set up over here. I took the table that was on the floor and I put it up there so I can have proper spinal alignment. If you're working on a laptop and you're curved over like a big question mark, you do that after a few years, you're gonna have headaches. Your whole neck, all your cervical vertebrae are gonna be all whacked out, and you're gonna be spending a ton of money on a chiropractor. So get yourself a foam roller, contract your belly when you're sitting working, and then have a nice straight spine with your chin slightly tucked in. Not tucked in as much as a boxer, but slightly, so that the point that's at the top of your skull is pulling away from your tailbone. Then we go into the wonderful bathroom that has the shower. The shower rocks. A lot of closet space. Tons of mirrors, proper lighting. We have these shades that come down so that you're not getting that backlighting blasting you right into the monitor when you're trying to get your work on. You can have your breakfast out there. If you want to, you can put your laptop out there because you get the Wi-Fi. You the air is very clean over here. You can just relax, sip your coffee, eat your breakfast, check your messages, nice and nice. This place is costing me $49.13 per night. With that being said, with Forex, the dollar comes up and comes down, and with the Colombian peso, it goes up and comes down. So when you do that math and the exchange rate rolls into your price, it might be a little bit different. It's going to fluctuate every single day. That's okay. That's how life is.